is on. Electric Truth didn't waste time at the start. Goes for your lead, moving up. Lil Dynamo to take second, changes. Then racing in third is runner number 3, Smash Consolidator. Pass approaching once again to take second. Electric Truth, Welsh Corgi running by the round. Next in line, Abacada. Rounding towards the 600. Lil Dynamo, a solo leader by about 5 lengths. Electric Truth getting closer in second. Welsh Corgi racing in third, moving up. Changes as they round towards the 450. Lil Dynamo still leading the field. About to throw the challenge on the outside. Electric Truth to grab the lead. Now they are all after the top favorite, Electric Truth. This time by about 3 lengths over Lil Dynamo with 75 meters to race. Apprentice Ryan Base on Electric Truth. Second, 1 Lil Dynamo, then comes Abacada. 6, Lady Rimba.
Okay, easy win for the heavy favorite number 8, Electric Truth. Segundo, 1, Lil Dynamo. Let's watch the replay.